This video will guide you through how to locate and install applications via Westminster's Self-Service app. Self-Service is included with all our Westminster issued devices and should be listed in the dock as you see here now on your screen. If you do not see it located in your dock, you'll also be able to find it in your Mac's Applications folder. We'll begin by clicking on the application to launch, and I'm now presented with a login window that's asking for my Westminster credentials. And these are the same credentials that I use, my username and password, to log into my computer. I'll go ahead and type those in now, and click on the arrow icon or press the return key to continue. Once logged in, I'm presented with a featured page that lists commonly used applications or resources of note. But in this case, I'm looking for a specific application, namely Photoshop. And the easiest way to locate this app is to go ahead and click into the search bar in the top left and just type in the application's name. And when I hit return, the search brings up the exact application I'm looking for. My next step is to simply click on the install button and allow Self-Service to run through the needed installation steps. Another convenient way to find applications via Self-Service is by utilizing the Categories column. The Categories column can be seen on the left side of the Self-Service window and alphabetically list different groupings of applications and features. Now, this can be especially handy when you're needing to install more than one application. And if I use the example of Photoshop that we did earlier, it's very likely that I probably need to grab a couple other applications that are part of the Adobe suite as well. And if I look further down this list, you'll see that there's a category by the name of Design. I'll go ahead and click on that category, and you'll see that I'm now presented a list of numerous Adobe applications. This grouped view makes it easy and straightforward for me to click on each of the applications that I need to have installed in my system. And just as with a single app installation, Self-Service will go through the needed steps to make sure that these resources are set up and ready for me to use. You now know how to utilize Self-Service to install applications on your Westminster issued Mac. We hope that you have found this guide to be helpful, but of course, should you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at help@westminster.net. Thank you, Wildcats.